Dear children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School. Last class we started the chapter Determination of Employment Output and Income, and we already studied the concept consumption function. Today let us pass on to the concept saving function. As you know, aggregate income is either consumed or saved. That is, y is equal to C plus S. Here, y stands for aggregate income, C stands for aggregate consumption, S stands for aggregate saving. Since y is equal to C plus S, S is equal to y minus C. Or you can write C is equal to y minus S. What do you mean by saving function? Saving function expresses the functional relationship between saving and income. Saving is a function of income. S is a function of y. Or we can write in the form of an equation. S is equal to minus a plus 1 minus b into y. Here minus a stands for negative savings. That is savings at a zero level of income. 1 minus b means 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS. Y stands for level of income. When we study saving function or propensity to save, we have two types of concepts. APS, average propensity to save, and MPS, marginal propensity to save. Propensity to save means desire to save. APS is the ratio of S by Y, that is the total saving out of total income. MPS means change in saving due to change in income, that is delta S divided by delta Y, that is additional saving due to additional income. Okay, now let us study how to derive saving function curve from consumption function curve. Remember that consumption curve and saving curve are complementary curves. We can derive saving curve from the consumption curve or consumption curve from the saving curve. Okay, here let us study how to derive saving curve from the consumption curve. Part A and part B, like that we drew. Part A we shown consumption curve, part B we drawn saving curve. Saving curve is derived from the consumption curve. Okay, since these are complementary curves, we can derive one curve from the other curve. Part A, consumption curve. OX axis income, OY axis consumption. CC line our consumption curve, 45-degree line our income curve, or our C plus S curve, or our aggregate supply curve. This point B, you know, consumption curve and 45-degree line, you can mark the intersection point B. At that point B, we can mark consumption is exactly equal to income. CC curve cuts the income curve, you know, that is the 45-degree line. At point B, consumption is exactly equal to income. Okay, you just take the points left of B and right of B. Points left of B, you can see consumption curve lies above the income line. Consumption is greater than income. Take the points right of B, we can see consumption curve lies below the income curve. Okay, so accordingly we may derive the saving curve, part B. Here at point B, when income is equal to consumption, saving will be 0. Clear? At this point, when income is equal to consumption, saving will be 0. Points to the right of B, income is greater than consumption. saving will be positive. Points to the left of B, consumption is greater than income, saving will be negative. Isn't it? So how can you mark? At point B, consumption is equal to income, saving is 0. Points to the right of B, consumption curve lies below the income curve. So income is greater than consumption, saving will be positive. Okay. Points to the left of B, consumption curve lies above the income curve. Right? Consumption is greater than income, saving will be negative. Like that we can derive saving function curve from the consumption function curve. Remember that these two curves are complementary curves. Okay. Part B, the saving function curve is drawn from part A, that is consumption function curve. Okay. So how can we say saving function? Saving function can be represented in the form of an equation. Saving is a function of income. We have two concepts, APS and MPS. APS is equal to the ratio of total saving to total income. MPS is equal to the ratio of change in saving due to change in income. Or in the form of an algebraic equation, saving function minus A plus 1 minus B into Y. Minus A stands for negative savings, that is savings at 0 level of income. 1 minus B stands for MPS and Y stands for level of income. Since these two curves are complementary curves, we can derive one curve from the other curve. At this point, income is equal to consumption, saving is 0. Income is greater than consumption, saving will be positive. Income is less than consumption, saving will be negative. I hope you follow. Thank you.